Hello and welcome. I'm going to be answering WAEC 2020 Chemistry Objective Past Question 26. Which of the following statements is correct for reaction at equilibrium? A. All reactions cease to occur. B. The reaction has gone to completion. C. The rates of the forward and backward reactions are equal. D. The amount of product equals the amount of reactants. So, chemical equilibrium is the concept we are looking at. Chemical equilibrium. And a chemical equilibrium, a reaction is said to be at equilibrium when there is no observable change in the properties of the system with respect to time. Now, another important thing to note is that in a chemical equilibrium, the forward and backward reactions occur at equal rates, and the concentrations of products and the reactants are constant. So let's say we have a two-way reaction, a reversible reaction this way. These are the reactants and it's reversible, and these are the products. So for this to be considered to be in equilibrium, the rate of the forward reaction, that is A plus B equals to give C plus D, must be equal to the rate of the backward reaction, that is C plus D to give A plus B. And also the concentration of the reactants and the products, their concentrations must be equal. So as we have seen here, option C says the rates of the forward and backward reactions are equal, and we have discussed that in this explanation we give, that the forward and the backward reactions occur at equal rates. So that is one of the statements that describes a chemical equilibrium. Therefore, option C, the rates of the forward and backward reactions are equal, is correct for a reaction at equilibrium. Thank you, and please subscribe to this channel for more videos and for more past questions and answers.